It's a masterpiece. There's no question about this. Omanyi kato yangamba ebintu ebimu nga ndowooza olumu asaaga. Kato yangamba there is a talent. Omwana ono oyina omulaba. Ne ngamba kati nze ngenda kulaba. I mean, she is amazing. Top of the range, top class. Bonna ba actors and actresses who were part of this play, they were amazing. The story flows. It has anticlimaxes and downs and the stagnation, quite captivating, interacting the stage players and the audience, giving you a touch of feel. Long as it is, because it's in the theater, like what I said, getting classic theater back to the people and the people back to the theater. Zubeda and your team, you have made it. I don't know. Actually, millions saturns in Nasasula Nabawandon. You deserve much more. You deserve na Uganda, please. Mwenawe muli. Mwekwate bulungi mujje mulabe omuzannyo gw'omwana. Ntakyetaaga kulanga. Mujje mulabe politics ali maka. Gonna nga bwe gali. Mujje mulabe how men can be confused to abandon their children. Just for, I mean, Zubeda is a masterpiece. Integration of business, amaka, abachara. Zubeda, you're super. You're super. I have no words to define you, but this is a masterpiece. Uganda has got it. Zubeda and a team, nobody performing arts. Like Kato was saying, temwetagako muntu mulala yenna. If you acted this in Swahili, it would sell in the entire East Africa. If you did it in English and you got characters and you pieced them together, it is everywhere. What you've acted is the true masterpiece of what is going on in Uganda. So, you've lived up to our expectations. It's amazing, amazing. You won't regret. I've been here. Zubeda yabukeeping anga gwachama. It was extremely amazing. Everything she can do. Some of you might not realize. If she puts it in form of digital content, movie, it will sell better than anything. With subtitles and piece-up characters, this will flow in the entire East Africa. This happens in Rwanda, this happens in Burundi, it happens in Kenya, it happens in Tanzania, everywhere. Act this with subtitles. Fetwala bajumo, filmia jumonga abajimanyi, ngeri mulu Korea, nyene etunyumira. Kakati, what of this? She's an amazing talent. So, ebisobola okubongerwamu nga abantu is sound movement, how they have to use bintu byonna, integration, operator theater, bajizembantu, mutwala omuzannyo mu guno mbana. Take it to different areas. Nkubiriza abantu bonna. I wish you could tap into all classes. Ez'ababaka ba parliament, ez'abantu kimwenna gye muli guys. Zubeda yalina hit. Ekisooka ntuusa okusaasira kwange eri Ssegirinya olw'embeera gy'ayitamu naye nsaba Allah amusuuse ebyo ebigambo byange byokka. I have nothing much. Kuba kati wali yeetaaga saala zaffe. There's nothing more we can do. I don't think it's worth it talking about kikyaliko kyekigenda mu maaso. You can go and consult anti bagamba mugende ku kibiina kye bajja kubabuulira. This is better, quite better. It is, I mean, ceasefire was good. It was about 60-70%. This is 99%. It's 99%, no doubt. Any sane person, I mean, quality is quality. You know me for that. I'll tell you anything right as it is. If ceasefire was about 60 to 90, yes, you can say it had a better stage, you can better choreographing. This is a masterpiece, no class, pure class. Actors and actresses never libali balungi. It was long. Naigwano waliwo avuddewo nga tategedde. Yeah, exactly. Buli omu avuddewo ategedde. That's the role of this. Sikuleeta gye tuyita abstracts. Ekintu tosobola kukitegeera, buli omu tasobola kukitegeera. I mean, this is a masterpiece. Zubeda, grazie.